Okay, period. Because your girl did that. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are in the bathroom, so that just means hair video. Get used to it now. Today's video, I'm going to be trying butterfly locks. Yes. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna see in the end. I'm working with a mess right now, so like this is actually a mess. Like, focus. It's really the fact that I look like I got electrocuted for me. So y'all know that little style I did? Never again. But I'm about to come back in 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, I am back the next morning. I don't know who the hell I thought I fucking was, thinking that I was gonna do my hair at 2 a.m. last night. Not I. But last night I washed my hair. As you can see, like I'm in a whole different like outfit. Like this is the next day, because last night I washed my hair was like 2 a.m. and then I was allowed to blow dry and then start doing the hair, but I was like no, I was tired. So they're a little blow dry right now. I'm a little crazy, but it's okay. Anyways, I'm about to just part my hair. I haven't parted my hair in centuries, just kidding, but usually I have people part it for me, but I don't have no one to part it for me right now, so I'm gonna have to part it myself. And like parting the back of my hair is such a pain, so I'm about to just like part it ear to ear, then start with the back, move up to the front, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys when I'm halfway done what the back is looking like or whatever, and then I'll get started on the butterfly locks. I'm so excited. I'm done. This is how it's looking like. It took me roughly an hour and 45 minutes because it's 3:42. I started around like 2. Yeah, I started at 2 something. It was like 2:02, 2:05. But it was pretty quick. I don't know. Some people said that this is the easiest or like the longest part, like, is parting. The back went by like this because I couldn't see, so I was just parting however, and the front went by pretty quick. This is the hair that I'm using. It's the free tress braid water wave. Hold it. Yeah, I'll just put the link down below where you can buy it. I bought it in my beauty supply store, but you can buy it online as well. This thing was like $7 a pack, and I got 6 packs. I hope that's enough. Most of the videos I've seen people use like 5 packs, 4 packs, and they also be using the 22-inch. But I saw one girl that used the 14-inch, and I'm like, I hope the 14-inch is enough because I want them to be like right here. So I don't understand why people be buying the 22-inch just to wrap it back up. Yes, let's get started. Oh my god, it looks like a big blob. I honestly wish someone was doing this for me. I mean, I guess the good thing about this style is that it's supposed to look messy, but this is looking a little too big. So the next one I'm gonna try to like tighten it up, because this is not what I was going for. We're gonna move on to the next one. Hey guys, so I'm back. Y'all, I was getting so frustrated because they was not working out, and I'm kind of mad that I started on the front because all of my mistakes are in the front. But I just started doing some and I'm like, ooh, like you see this one's good, this one's good. So I feel like I got it down. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing it exactly. So I'm taking 2 pieces, like I told you guys, like 2 strands, and then I put the crochet hook through, it's open, and then I just fluff these out, and you get it from the middle and you just fluff it out, and then you put it on the latch. So I gotta look in the mirror. You put on the latch and then you close the latch. You close it, you pull it through like that, open, and then you pull one side out. Oops, this thing is wrapped on my nose. Okay, so you pull it out like that, and now that you got it wrapped out, you're gonna have 2 sides basically. So this is gonna be the standing still hand, and this is gonna be the wrapping hand, and you're gonna make it to the length that you want, about here, and then you start wrapping at the root because you want to cover your hair. So just keep wrapping, and then people keep saying you gotta like use your thumb. Honestly, I'm just like doing that, but sometimes it's not staying. But I don't know, what I was doing was working for me, and I'm just like, it's messy. That's the thing, you can't go wrong with this style because it's supposed to be messy. So I'm just like dinging it. It kind of looks like a regular dread, but I do leave some hairs out, and then I go back and be neat because I didn't like how bunched up it was right here. I go back and be neat, and then go down, go down. As you see, this is probably why the people were buying the 22 inches, because it finishes off quickly. I just go and I grab a little bit right here. I connect it. I wrap back up a little bit because it's getting thin. Like, wrap up a little, and then just keep going back down and wrap down. I hope that's making sense, because honestly, and now you can see like it's a little messy, but I hope that's making sense, because when I was doing it, I was shook. So now you're going to like twist it with your hand, and you're gonna wrap going up. I feel like I was messing up in the beginning because I was wrapping back up the wrong direction, so then the top kept unraveling. But if you see that happening, just switch sides. Like if you're wrapping this way, just start wrapping the other way. This is really hard, y'all. Like these people making it look mad easy. Like, don't be discouraged if you see it's not working, because I was very much discouraged. I was ready to give up, and then I just tried one and it came out good, and I tried another and it came out good. And so I'm like, let me just keep doing what I'm doing. And take your time. Like, yes, it's supposed to be messy, but like, I wasn't taking my time with these, and they came out like, you can see my hair. They just came out weird. But take your time in making it messy, if that makes sense. I was literally about to cry. Just wrap it, go like that, and there is your lock. is up, you guys? I am back. This is the final product, looking like a little mop, but it's okay. I don't know, at first I didn't really like it, but now it's kind of like growing on me. It doesn't look bad. I mean, some are longer than the other, but overall it doesn't look bad. Look like a little Pluto or whatever. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm doing too much. This is what the hair is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial thing that I was that I was giving to you guys. I was learning myself. It's the first time I did this on myself. It was not easy. What's going on? One is coming out. Let me fix it. Exactly. I'm glad y'all seen this. This was very stressful, like never ever again. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.